Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to voice type in Google Docs speech to text dictation. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop, I just open Chrome browser and I just open Google Docs. So this is a Google Docs. I have to create a document I can share with anyone. I can have a Google Meet, everything I can have. So now whatever I speak, everything should be typed through the medium of voice typing. What I have to do here, on top you will find a menu bar. Just go to tools and you will get the option called voice typing. Once you click a voice typing, automatically voice typing box will be open here as you see. So if you want to type in English means English, you can choose a language. What are the language you can talk, automatically it will record and it will type. So I just want to show you. So once I click the mic option, so automatically it will allow you to record your voice. Just click allow option. So now I just type, I just talk with the people. So this is what the typing method will be added while you voice, whatever voice you are giving, everything will be typing over here as you see in the mode of your typing. So if I change the language also, it will change. So if I want to stop the voice recording, so I just click here to stop voice recording. For example, I have some meetings, I just want to get minutes of meetings, means I can stop recording over there, so that what are the informations they are talking, everything will be recorded and everything will be get into that. So this is a beautiful option. So I hope this will be helpful for everyone to type your records. I just stop that and you can change the language as well. So what are the language you want, you can change, you can have access. For example, I just choose some Tamil, so I just record, everything will be recorded using the language. So what are the language you want, you can have access. For example, I just choose a Hindi language and I can give namaste. So Mera naam Martin. So while what are the information I have given, everything will be recorded using the Hindi, English, any other language using the voice typing. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.